Hi everybody. This video discusses the half-wave rectifier circuit. So half-wave rectifier. And when we say half-wave rectifier, what we're expecting is that we're putting a full sine wave AC voltage signal in, so it has positive and negative going voltage, and what we're going to get out, and I'll extend that, is something where the negative part of those voltages have been cut off. Okay, so what the circuit looks like here, we have our primary side of the transformer, we have our our secondary side of the transformer. Okay, so usually that's stepping down there. We have a diode, we have a load resistor, and a return to the other side of the secondary, and this is our ground reference. So when we talk about the load voltage, we're talking about the load across this load resistor. Okay, and there's our diode. So we can look at this circuit for two scenarios: the positive half of the cycle and the negative half of the cycle. So let me just draw that above. So I have an AC coming in, and then I have an AC coming out. So I'm going to make the positive cycle red and the negative cycle green. Okay, now for the positive cycle, the polarity across the secondary is this, and this puts a polarity across the diode like so. So our diode in the positive cycle is going to be forward biased. Our current is going to flow through the load resistor and back to the secondary like so. So our V, and this I can actually label this. This is our V secondary peak. Okay, so our VL is going to equal that V secondary peak minus the 0.7 volt drop of the diode. Okay, for the positive cycle, and so our output voltage is going to look like so for the positive half of the cycle. For the negative half of the cycle, this cycle here, the polarity at the secondary is reversed, and so the polarity across our diode is reversed. In that case, there's no current flow and no VL. So in that case, the output voltage is 0. Okay, so this was for the positive cycle, and this was for the negative cycle. And in that way, this circuit converts the AC input voltage here at the secondary to a DC voltage at the load resistor. And it's DC even though it's a changing voltage, because it doesn't have a negative component to that voltage anymore. The voltage is all positive. So this is the result again of our half wave rectifier. And it's called a half wave rectifier because those negative cycles are just simply chopped off at 0.